Hello, good morning. My name is David Isamoje. It's morning over here. So I'm with you with another video for today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create t-shirt designs that sell. Yes, how to create t-shirt design that sell. As you can see, t-shirt design that sell. It has been a wonderful episode. It has been a wonderful time on my channel. And I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you that are watching. You guys are extremely amazing, and I want to say thank you, and I want to make sure you guys are fine. Hope you're having a good time. How is the family going? Please, can someone give me a smile over there? I love you guys. I want you guys to be always happy. I want you guys to learn new skills, and I want you guys to make money with your new skills. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right into today's video. So I'm going to open my Photoshop so that we can get this done. So just click on this arrow, go to new, file, new. This is the standard. Just follow this. This is the standard. Click on OK. Click on OK. So just double tap on this padlock. Press OK. So now we want it like this, just to know what the end product will be. But after we're done designing, we have to put this off so that we can transfer it onto our designs. We don't need the background when we're transferring it, so this will be turned off at the end. Please stay with me to the very end if you want to learn. If you're in this video to learn, I would advise you stay with me to the very end. Get a cup of coffee and just watch all through. So to do this, I'm going to start with the design. So I'll come over to this tool, I'll press it down, I'll left mouse click, press down to give me other options. Then this is the one I want. Just gonna put in a box here. Just put in a box. This is it. It's gonna be stroke. You can see how I came over to this side. Let me show you what I did. So let me just show you what I did here. You can see I drew the box. So the way I drew the box, but let me delete this and start over again. So I pressed this down, came to this box, pressing on my right. I just moved my mouse to the edge where I want to start drawing the box from. My left mouse click button, and just still pressing my left mouse click button, then I just drag my mouse to give me the shape. And when I'm okay with the size, I release my left mouse click button. Now I'll click on this to remove the stroke, then I'll come over to strokes and just make this, or make this yellow. I'll just increase that a bit, so I'm okay with that. I'll just push it to that edge. So the next step will be for me to add part of the effect, and to do that I'll come over to this box again and just press this down, rounded rectangular. I'll just come over and do this. You can see. So for the rounded rectangular, for the fill, I'm going to make this green, and for the stroke I'm going to make it green. So that's the way it's going to be, as you can see. So now the next thing I want to do is to duplicate this green. I would like to duplicate this green. So to do that, I'll over my mouse to this green. I'm going to press my Alt key button on my keyboard and my left mouse click button and just drag to my right. As you can see, drag to my right. Then I'll do that again and drag to my right. Just drag to my right. So now we have that all set out, done and ready. So now I'll just put in the word I want in there. So it's going to say, to do that, first of all I'll come over to this text, this T you see here. Please follow me to the end, please, and please follow me to the end. Just find okay, let me find a good color. Just gonna say, as you can see it's quite small, so just increase this. You say loading, so just click on this, change that, just find it good. Okay, like this. So just put the that dot. So I'll just move this one in here. So to increase it further, I'm just going to do my Ctrl T. As you can see, it has highlighted, and just move my mouse to this edge to give me that double arrow. Then I'll do my 3 buttons. If you followed my video from the beginning, you should know these 3 buttons already. Should be something that is personal already. You should have it in your minds already. Is the Alt key button, Shift key button, and the left mouse click button. You drag outwards to increase. It's that simple. When you're done, remove your mouse from your buttons and press enter. So now you have that. Already on your shirt. Then the final step will be, or should I say the final 3 steps will be for me to increase this. But before I do that, I would like to group this together. So to do that, I'll click on the loading. I'll press down my Alt key button on my keyboard, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. Then I'll do my Ctrl G. Sorry for that Alt key button. You click on your Control button to, you know the way you do it on WordPress. On Microsoft Word. If you want to select multiple files, if you want to transfer multiple files, the way you do it, you click on your Control button and you click on the files you want to select. Just same pattern. So now I want to increase this a bit. So I'm going to do Ctrl T. You see, I have that highlighted again. I'll over my mouse to this edge, and I'll do the 3 buttons again: Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse click button. I will drag outwards. So now that I have that, I'll just press enter, and to make sure this is in the middle, I'll just click on this layer 0 with then press on my Control button and click on this. I'll make sure I click on this. Now you see it's in the middle, so I'll just put another dash. I'll just right click here, just find another shape. So I'll just find another shape and make it, and just leave it at this. But I like to change the color. I think I'll just use yellow for this, or better still, I'll do this without this shape. So I'll just delete this. I'll just do 35.7%. I'll just so I light it, to do my Ctrl A to highlight, then move on to this text. I want to reduce the size, so I'll just reduce the size to about 60. I'll just bring this here. So I'll just create a box under this. just create a box under this. So I'll click on this again, over my mouse here, and I'll just do this. So now I have that. I just leave that at that. Okay, should leave it so that I don't make the design too complex and complicated. Then I'll just go to my text again and put achievement, or should I make it so let me do dreams. So just control so now we have that. We have that all set. So that's it. It's simple, super simple. Your design does not need to be complicated. Now we have the design. Now all you have to do is to put this off. You put that off, and when you're done putting that off, you just have to save it. Save as picture, loading, save that. You save it as PNG again. Very important, make sure you always save as PNG so that you can transfer it to your shirts. And now we have that saved. All we have to do is to go to our pictures now. It's saving, it's saved. We just go to pictures, loading. This is our design here. As you can see, all you have to do now is to transfer it onto your shirt and you're done. Please, to your right you see the playlist. Make sure you watch this playlist, follow this playlist to the end. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Have a blessed day. Peace.